Let's look at how to edit or change any of these items that are part of your profile. Every coach has these sections: About Me, My Work, Coach's Memo, which is basically a blog, then your contact information, and a website link if you have a website. You are now able to edit all of these items, and let's see how we do that. We now have two ways to log in to the website. There's a login at the top of every page in the main menu, as well as a login window on the front page. After you've logged in, you will notice that there are now two extra items in your menu. You'll only see these when you're logged in. And there's an entirely new menu at the top. Up here at the top is where you change your profile settings. You can change your password, and your username, and your email address there. You can add an event to the events calendar, which is new. Check out your own events. Here's where you have the archive of all our conference calls. Here is our discussion forum, and we have a section where documents are kept. By the way, you can also log out now once you're logged in at the top of every page at the right-hand corner. That button will be there. So you edit like you did before, selecting the Edit button, and we'll open up what's basically like a Word document type window. Notice that only in the About Me do you have these two sections. This top section here is your intro text. That is what appears on the coaches page where all of the coaches are listed together. And then down here is the main text that appears when you go down into any coach's section for further information about that coach. There's a big gray bar separating the two. Please do not delete it. So you would edit this the same way you would edit anything. Please remember that if you're bringing in text, let's import some text here. That you want to place your cursor where you're going to want to have the text start. Then go up here to this Paste as Plain Text option. This is a good idea because it will remove all of that extraneous formatting that you can see in this. That's not going to be necessarily compatible, and it's just going to add stuff you don't need in there. Then you can go back and format this any way you want through all of your options up here. If you want to add an image, it's super easy. Place your cursor where you want the image to go. Go up here to the Insert Edit Image button. And there's a way to drag and drop an image directly to where your cursor is. Go over here to the Upload button. Select the picture you want to drag and drop, put it in, upload. Then you just select it again. It'll always be highlighted in black. And then I like to set the width in %. I find that this is helpful to let the thing resize to whatever you want to do. And sometimes I'll set it to 50% and then have it aligned to the left or the right to give it an even nicer look. In this case, let's set it to 100%. And there you'll see it'll always fill 100% of our article. That way when they resize on a tablet or a phone, it will automatically resize itself to fit the page. Always remember to either hit save or cancel when you get out of this page. In this case, we're going to cancel. Now editing these other articles, My Work, Contact, and Entry Text is actually going to be the same procedure. Coach's Memo is a different story. It's actually a full-blown blog with all the features that a blog has. So you go into Coach's Memo when you're logged in and you will get this menu in which you can see all of your posts. You can even write something as a draft where the public won't see it until you're ready to show it to them, etc. And there's a lot to explore here. Check it out. Now what I've added from the last version of the website is giving you the option to change your own contact info on the site. So if you want to do that, you select Edit Contact Info. Again, that'll only show up when you're logged in. And again, you edit it the same as before. If you want to change your website, select it. Go up here to this Insert Edit Link button. And here's where you would change the URL of your website. Here on the entry page we have a slideshow of all the coaches, and you'll notice that there is text right next to the coach's picture as we cycle through the images. You are now able to edit that text yourself. Once you're logged in, go to your own profile and select Edit Entry Text again and go to the Edit button, and we can change that text right there.